Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back, and if you're new here, you're also welcome. Today I'll be showing you how I make my carrot oil in two ways. So I'm using the cold pressed method. So this is basically doing this without any direct heat to my oil or my carrot, and I'll be using everything organic in this video. So my carrot is organic. If you can get organic products or ingredients for this video, then please do that, because we'll be applying this to our skin, so the best quality would be what we should use. So I've washed my carrot. I'll just use some paper towel to just take out all the excess water on it, and then we'll go ahead and grate it. And also to grate it, I'll be adding some paper towel to my chopping board just to take out more excess oil, and I'll be using the smallest part of my grater. But here I am sterilizing my jars. It's so easy for you to sterilize your jar. All you need to do is just wash them properly, then put them in a tray and pop them in the oven for 10 minutes, and your jars are literally sterilized. So if your jar has a plastic thing at the lid, just take it out and sterilize it separately in just hot water. Don't put the plastic in the oven. So here I am grating my carrot. I didn't scrape my carrot, if you notice, because my carrot was very neat, and the back also has some nutrients. So if your carrot is as neat as mine, then you don't need to do that. But if it's dirty, then please scrape it before grating it. So I'm using more paper towel to take out a little bit more of the moisture, just because it will help the carrots dry faster. But at the same time, don't take out all the moisture, because that's literally the nutrient you're taking out. So I am putting this to dry, and this is the first method, and the first method is the drying method. So we'll leave it to air dry. I'm not putting it under the sun. I live in England anyway, we rarely see sun. Yeah, and I'm not joking. Yeah, so we rarely see sun, so I'm just gonna leave it to air dry. This took almost 2 days to dry. So if you're living in a tropical area, that might take you less time to dry. So we'll move to the second method. So I've grated the other part of the carrot, and I'm now going to add it to my jar. So I'm just literally transferring it to my sterilized jar. Please guys, since you're going to be using this oil on your skin, then please try and sterilize your jar just to avoid any contamination. So once I've added that, you can use 2 types of carrot oil. I'm using organic extra virgin olive oil here. The other option is to use coconut oil. So organic extra virgin olive oil will give you a more moisturizing feel, and also it's a heavyweight kind of oil. So at least you know what, if you should make up your mind depending on what you're looking for. As for the coconut oil, it is lightweight, and it gives it that really orangey look. If you want your carrot oil to look really orangey, then use coconut oil, because it absorbs that properly. I'm not really a fan of coconut oil, so which is why I'm using olive oil. So here is my dried carrot. This took almost 2 days, and you can see how small it has become. So I'll transfer it to my jar, and then I will be adding the oil as well, same extra virgin olive oil. And make sure you're doing this in a airtight container, so a container that you can literally shut properly and there won't be air getting into the oil. That's what you need. So we'll shake, and every 2 days I remember to shake my oils as well, just to keep mixing it. So this is what it looks like after 8 days. It's time for me to extract the oil from the carrot. So while I'm doing that, I'm literally just going to use a sieve. You can use a coffee filter if you have that. That will take out every single particle from the oil, but I don't have that. But my sieve has really tiny holes, so I'm more than happy to use that. So you can see that. So like I said, if you have coffee filter, I didn't do that. I'll just tell you a little benefit of carrot oil to the skin and to the hair. So carrot oil contains carotene, and it is also very rich in vitamin A, which are very good essential vitamins for healthy skin, hair, eyes, and also your teeth. So if you're looking for that shine and that glow, then I will advise you add carrot oil to your skin routine. It is a natural skin lightener, so if you're experiencing sunburn, discoloration or hyperpigmentation, then this will help you to even out your skin. I'm also adding some vitamin E oil, which is also organic. So I'm adding about 40 to 50 drops, which is literally about a teaspoon because the drops are really tiny. And then it is also an anti-aging properties, so it helps with the reduction of wrinkles. So what is there not to like? So this is an amazing oil, seriously. And then as for your hair, so we all want our hair to grow. I have some amazing recipes about carrots on my channel, which I'll link in the description box. You can check them out. And so it adds shine to your hair. It gives your it helps your hair grow. It strengthens your hair as well. So it is also really amazing for your hair. So here is the second method. I am just taking out the carrots out of the oil, and then I'll add some vitamin E oil as well, about 30 drops, since this oil is not as much as the other one. So guys, if you've watched till this stage, please give this video a thumbs up, and also if you're not subscribed to my channel, then I encourage you to do that. I have some amazing content I think you'll find really useful. And when you do subscribe, please remember to click on that notification bell, because that is the only way you will know when I post a video. So I hope you found this video useful. I'm just going to apply a little on my skin so you see how it's making my hair really, my hands really glow and shine. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video useful. Please do not hesitate to share to anyone you think that will find it useful. And thank you very much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.